This one here it says number 41 is decreased to 38. What is the percentage by which the number decreased? Round to the nearest tenth of a percentage. So remember when if this was a so this is your original number right here, and this is the final number, right? So remember normally our standard formula is the original, okay, the original number. You multiply this by 100% minus whatever is the discount, or whatever is the percentage, right? Isn't that what we normally do? If it says it decreased by 5%, we normally do 100% minus 5%. Okay, so that's the normal format equals the final number, okay, the final value. So if we substitute this, so it says 41 is your original number, so you would say 41 times 100% minus x percent equals 38. Okay, so if you want to find out this, all you need to do is divide this by 41. Okay, we will divide it by 41. This 41 and this 41 will cancel out. So now you have 100% minus x percent equals whatever 38 over 41 is. Okay, so you kind of need to find a decimal for that. I'm just going to keep it as 38 over 41, but for you, you need to do decimal equivalent of this, and you need to do at least like four decimal places. Okay, so now remember, whenever you have percentage, you have to change it into a decimal, right? So what is the decimal of, what's the decimal? Oops, sorry about that. What's the decimal of 100? So you move two spaces. So therefore that 100 just becomes one. So this is really one, okay, one minus the x percent, you need to move it two spaces. So that would be 0.01 x equals 38 over 41. Again, the 38 over 41 should be a decimal. So if you want to solve for 0.01x, this is 0.01x because really your decimal is right here. You go 1, 2. So that's why you need to do 0.01x. You need to put a 1 because it should be understood that there's a 1 there. Okay, so we're going to subtract 1 on both sides. So now you will have negative 0.01x equals whatever 38 minus 41. So let me just divide that. Uh, okay. 38 divided by 41. That's 0.9268. Okay. So this one right here is 0.9268. So 0.9268 minus 1, that's going to become negative 0. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Uh, Minus 1. You should be using calculator on this one. 7317. So it becomes uh, 0.7317, I think. All right, so now you divide this one by negative 0.01 divided by 0.01. So therefore, you will have an x here. And then you divide that. So you divide it by 0.01, so you need to move two spaces. So therefore, your final answer will be 7.32 because, oh wait, nearest tenth. So just one decimal place. So this will be 0.3, right? Because nearest tenth means one decimal place. Oops, that's not the eraser. So that's your answer, 7.3%. Okay. All right. So see if this makes sense to you. If not, then just send me another one example. Okay.